Hi, I'm Tina Sibley. Now, you know you need to be doing webinars, don't you? Why should you be doing webinars? Well, everybody's telling you that you should be doing webinars because they work. They really do help you to get your business message out there faster and easier than any other method. All the big gurus are telling you to do webinars and they're coming up with their own programs and software and all sorts of things. So you need to be taking notice of them. If you want to make decent money online through an online business, you need to be doing webinars. Trouble is, webinars can be scary. The feedback I'm getting from so many people is that they are just held back by that massive barrier of fear. The trouble is, there's two things going on here. Number one, you've got the fear of public speaking, which is big enough, all by itself. And number two, you've got managing the technology. And when you put them together, wham, that becomes too overwhelming for so many people. Now, if that's you, I have a solution. How about I do your webinar for you? Yep, I will do everything. I will manage the technology. I will discuss your business with you to come up with, what's the best thing to put into the webinar. I'll write the slides. I'll write the script. I'll deliver it for you. The only thing that you have to do is be there to answer any questions about your business or product or offer that I'm unable to answer myself. How does that sound? Now, if you want to go even further, we could do, say, a little series of 3 where I do the whole thing for you to start with, and then the second one is a mixture of both of us, and the third one is mainly you, but with me just being there, supporting you, holding your hand. Now, obviously, that is a lot of my time, so I can only take a maximum of 2, maybe 3 clients. And it's not going to be cheap, but I'm going to be offering this as a pilot, so you're going to get this at a knockdown rate, because I want to see how it works. Basically, I've done it for other people and I want to try it for clients as well. So if that's something of interest to you, if you want to get your message out there but you don't want to do your webinar and you'd like me to do it for you, all the details are on this page. Apply now and I look forward to working with you soon.